Want to ensure your self-service content is perfectly organized for instant answers? Having an organized knowledge base is key. When users visit your support center, grouped articles create a clear path to essential content. Let's see how to navigate to the HappyFox knowledge base using sections and articles. In the main menu, go to Knowledge Base. HappyFox offers three main views: Browse, Sections, and Articles. The Browse view offers a quick look, a visual snapshot of the entire knowledge base. It displays a hierarchical structure, including sections and subsections. Easily spot articles visible externally and internally. External articles are accessible to contacts, while internal ones are agent-only or contact group-specific. For section view, navigate to sections under Manage. In this view, you see a list of all content sections. Here you can view the name, brand, description, number of articles, and associated category. Manage content hierarchy by creating new sections with names, descriptions, and parent sections. Sections are essential, as every article must be associated with a section. The Articles view under Manage offers a comprehensive list of all created articles. Categorize them by external articles, internal articles, contact group articles, drafts, and AI suggestions. External articles are public-facing and accessible to contacts. Internal articles are only visible to agents. Contact group articles are visible to specific user groups. Drafts are unpublished articles. Lastly, AI suggestions that recommends new topics from tickets. Key information is visible at a glance, like the title, section name, times marked as useful, views, who updated it, and when. To add a new article, just click the plus icon and fill in the details, whether in external article, internal article, or contact group article. To update or edit any knowledge base sections and articles, agents must have Manage Knowledge Base Sections and Articles permission. With these Browse, Sections, and Articles views, you can efficiently organize and manage your entire self-service documentation. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit HappyFox University for more videos like this one.